The 5-minute facial lift is my go-to when I want visible results fast. In just 5 minutes, it lifts, tones, and contours the neck, cheeks, and forehead. With consistent use, results continue to improve over time. You can perform this treatment using either your Trinity Plus or Mini Plus device. To get started, select an appropriate oil-free cleanser or use a NUFACE Prep and Glow facial towelette. Use as directed. Once your skin is prepped, apply a mask-like layer of your NUFACE activator using the NUFACE applicator brush in sections as you treat. This is your non-negotiable. Think of this as a serum. It has skin-loving ingredients to both hydrate the skin and activate the microcurrent to carry it down to the muscle. Let's start with your neck. This is a great way to counteract tech neck. Apply a mask-like layer of your favorite activator. Power on your device. The Trinity Plus and Mini Plus have 3 different levels of intensity. I'm going to start at the highest level. Choose the level that is most comfortable to you. Place the spheres vertically on the skin, just above the collarbone, slowly gliding towards the back of the neck. Take 1 step up and slowly glide towards the back of the neck. Then 1 more step up, right under that jawline, slowly gliding toward the back of the neck. We're going to repeat this sequence 2 more times. When you are doing this treatment, go slow. Make sure both spheres are on the skin at the same time. Each glide should be 1 beat. Really take your time with this treatment. Allow that microcurrent to go into the skin and muscles to lift, tone, and contour. Now let's lift the cheek. Apply your activator. As you are treating this area, you will notice a more defined jawline and contoured cheeks. Place the spheres vertically on the jawline, gliding from the nasolabial fold back to the lobe of the ear. Take 1 step up, gliding toward the middle of the ear, and take 1 more step up, gliding to the top of the ear. Now repeat this sequence 2 more times. Remember, each glide should be slow. Listen for that beep and take your time. Check out your cheek. What immediate results do you see? Now let's focus on the brows and forehead. Start at the inner thick of the brow, slowly gliding up to the hairline. Move 1 step over to the arch of the brow, slowly gliding to the hairline. Taking 1 more step over to the tail of the brow, gliding up to the hairline. Glide until you hear the beep. Now repeat this sequence 2 more times. Follow these same steps on the other side. Check out your results and compare the treated side to the untreated side. That's the 5-minute facial lift. Don't forget to take before and after pictures to track your progress.